What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your primary email address on LinkedIn. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account using your current email and password. Once you're on the homepage, click on the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Now, under the Sign In and Security section, click on Email Addresses. This is where LinkedIn lists all of the email addresses listed for your account, including the one currently marked as primary. If you already have a secondary email address added, you can skip to the next step. If not, click on Add Email Address. Type in your new email, enter your LinkedIn password to confirm, and click on Submit. LinkedIn will send a verification email to that new address. Go to your inbox and verify the email address. Once verified, that email will show up as approved in your LinkedIn settings. Now, return to the Email Addresses section in your settings. Find your newly verified email address and click on Make Primary next to it. You'll be asked to enter your LinkedIn password one more time to confirm the change. Once you do, LinkedIn will update your account to use that email as the primary contact. Your previous primary email will automatically be moved to the secondary slot. If you want to remove the old email entirely, simply click Remove next to it. Re-enter your LinkedIn password and confirm. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.